What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. We've got another good one for you today, but before we start, I'd like to let all of y'all know that I have officially beat teen pregnancy. That's right, I am officially 20 as of 12 o'clock right now, and I have beat teen pregnancy. Yeah, at least I think I did. I'm at least 60% sure I did. Anyways, do with that information what you'd like. But moving right along into the video, we're going to be talking mostly about my strategy going into 2018. And for the most part, guys, I have been just spreading out my portfolio. My main idea right now for 2018, this is a strategy that I'm going to try out, see if it really works and really capitalizes on making the most money. I have invested into currently like somewhere around 15 coins, around that area, anywhere from like 15, maybe up to 20 different coins. So by doing that, I've spread it out kind of equally. Some coins I have less, some coins I have more, obviously, but none of them have more than I think the most one that I have the most in right now would be Litecoin, but that only takes up like maybe 25% of my portfolio in total. So, from there, my plan is to consolidate consistently as my coins hit spikes. So this is something I want to try out. So if you already have, let me know how it worked out for you. So like I said, let's say I have 15 coins, and then over the next month, 2 of them spike, and Skyrocket, Moonshot were gone. I cut it, take profits, because I've already made like 3-4 times my money. I've decided I think this is where it's going to plateau or start dipping from there. So I've already made good profits off of it. And from those, I'm going to cut the profits from there and put them into one of my other 15 coins, and that has not spiked yet, and then watch it raise from there. So from there I have 13, 2, 3, let's say 3 more spike in the next couple weeks or a month after that. I then consolidate those into other coins that have not spiked yet, and just continuously keep putting more money into my coins that are still sitting at their bottoms or haven't quite moonshot yet, and then till I get all the way down to somewhere around 4 coins. I never want to put everything into 1 or 2 coins. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And but I want to slowly consolidate from about 15 coins where I'm at into approximately 4 or 5 different coins that I really believe in, and hopefully from there I will have made a lot of money and will have a lot into these 5 coins that have so much potential and just have not popped yet. And it's been a couple of months and they still haven't popped yet. So I'm excited to see where they'll go from there. Now, whether this is the best strategy or not, I can't tell you. I am not a professional. This is not financial advice. This is my personal opinion and just friendly advice to give to you guys because I consider you guys my friends. So, but yeah, tell me what you think in the comments below, and I'll get back to you on it. What's your strategy going into 2018? How do you plan on getting money out there? How do you plan on capitalizing on as much as you can in this bull market that is guaranteed to happen? Well, I guess you can't say guaranteed. Sorry. I know I'll get somebody to say something in the comments about that. So, not guaranteed, but in this market, like, guys, once people really start to adopt this around in the world, it's going to be a bull market, and it's just going to shoot up. I personally believe that. I wouldn't be investing if I didn't, and I know that none of y'all would be investing if you didn't either. So I really think that once the bull market takes off, I'm going to be seeing these coins that I have been researching for a while, and I have been putting money into slowly, just gaining more and more coins and more capital, working as hard as I can to make sure that I pay for my rent, pay for my insurance, paying for everything else, and then having some more money so I can put whatever I can into crypto and keep on adding to my portfolio, especially in this huge dip that we've been in. And I know a lot of people get scared. I say it doesn't matter if you get scared. Put money in while it's low. You want to get in when people are scared and pull out when people are excited about it. Like once you reach in the top, that's when everybody's like, oh, let's all join in. That's when you need to pull out, because that's whenever it's going to drop. And that's what happened whenever we were up above $800 billion. Everybody was super excited about it. It was a bull market. Everybody was so excited. Did not see it coming. So that's what I had to say about that. Like, I just think that we should all be trying to get in. There's so much money to be made, and this is just the strategy that I'm going to go about it. Could it possibly fail? Yes. Could it possibly work? Yes, I think it has a very strong chance. I think that it's a reliable way to capitalize. Like I've said, capitalize on it. That's the main thing. Take advantage of what we have. But again, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, and try to come up with the best ways that you can make money off of this. And let me know in the comments how you're keeping up with crypto, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.